What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is all about how I achieved my red spring twists using Freetress spring twist hair in the length 18 and in the color cherry wine. And as always, you can find all the details about this hair in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And first, I like to start off by separating the twists. So this hair is initially intended to be crocheted as crochet braids, but I am going to intertwine it with my hair. So I like to unravel it first, and how I do that is by elongating the twist first and then finding the starting point all the way at the bottom and then unraveling it in the opposite direction, like so. To keep my twist nice and neat at the root, I like to use either Eco Styler gel or Edge Booster. I started off using that tiny little sample as just a tester to see how it would go, and I actually ended up loving it and buying the full size. So first things first, I like to wash and style my hair within these 6 sections. So literally I section my hair off into these exact sections. When I wash it section by section, blow dry section by section, twist section by section. So I do the same thing with my protective styles when I do my hair by myself. And so as you can see, I've already finished the back, and I like to do the back first and start around the perimeter just in case I have to put my hair up in a bun if I don't finish, or I didn't get enough hair, whatever the case may be, need a break, etc., etc. You may have noticed already, but I really don't care too much about the parts being super perfect in the back, so that's why I decided to just skip straight to the front and show you guys how I part in the front. Pretty much what I'm doing here is just making sure that my parts are nice and neat to my liking, and making sure that I have an equal amount of hair on both sides to create an equal amount of twists on both sides. What I did there was take the Edge Booster or Eco Styler gel, whichever you have on hand, and I applied it at the base of my scalp or the base of my twist, just so that I can lay flat and look nice and shiny and sleek whenever it's time to apply the hair extension. So I'm gonna use a red strand of hair so you guys can really see exactly what's going on. I start with a braid, so I run the strand like in a U form, I guess, over top of my hair and use my hair in the middle to start the braid. I like to braid about a ½ inch of the way down, and what I also like to do is make sure that I'm holding my hair and the hair extensions secure together, not tight but secure enough so that it's comfortable on my scalp, but it's also not slipping if I were to pull my hair back in a ponytail. When you're ready to start twisting, you want to make sure that your piece of hair ends up right back in the middle, and then you're going to add your Eco Gel or Edge Booster before twisting. So you're going to split your piece of hair in half, combine it with the extensions, and start twisting in the direction that the twists were formed. Does that make sense? Okay, so if you twist in the opposite direction, the twist will not form. And at first, when I started doing them, I was wondering, like, why are the twists not interlocking? Like, why is it looking like a mess? It's because I was twisting the opposite way. So it might feel natural to you to twist one way, but in reality, you have to twist in the way that these crochet twists were formed, or else it will not interlock. So here it is up close again a few more times. I'm not going to talk throughout the rest of the video, just so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Run it back a few times if you have to. And unfortunately, I didn't even get to record a finished look for you guys. My camera cut off. I ran out of space on my phone. So this is the best I got. I hope that you still find this tutorial helpful nonetheless. And if you end up doing this style on yourself, please tag me on Instagram. I'm really trying to make up for my lack of posting these past couple of years. So You will be seeing more videos from me in 2021, God willing. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and put that bell notification on so you don't miss a new upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.